Hello, in this video I will show you how to blend two images in Capcut in PC. This is very simple and very easy, so let's get started. First you need to place the first image on the timeline and scale it according to your requirement. After that you need to place the second image on the upper layer and adjust it according to the requirement. And after that go to the basics in the video section, and here you can see that a blend option. You need to click on that blend and click on the above picture, and here you need to select the darken. So here you can see that the both images are perfectly blend, and you can see that the a tree is perfectly blend with the sun. And also you can adjust the opacity if you want to change it as per your requirement. I don't think so you need to change it because the both images are perfectly blend, and here you can click and see the results. So in this way you can easily blend the images, two images in CapCut in PC. If you think this video is supportive and helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.